Hello everyone, now I'm in the dark forest with Sofirn new flashlight. It is the SC29. Okay, this one it is a pocket powerful flashlight. Okay, 3000 lumens max and 142 meters throw. Only the size switch here. Okay, here. Okay, the LED is XHP 50B 5700K to 6500K. Okay. USB-C and IP68 waterproof. Okay, here. Here's about the lumens and runtime. Okay, for the turbo 3000 lumens, about 4 hours. Actually, it stepped down after about 30 seconds, something like that. Okay. For the high mode, okay, 1000 lumen high mode also stepped down to the level that is still higher than mid. Okay, I have tried high about 3 minutes, something like that, and I can see that it stepped down. Okay, but still brighter than mid. Okay, for the low mode, 30 lumens. Okay, and eco 1 lumen. It also has strobe too. Okay, here. Battery inside 21700 battery, and it also comes with magnetic tail cap here. Okay, let me show you here. Okay, this is very good. This is versatile. Okay, just only size switch. Okay, let's talk about the UI. Okay, one click to turn on, one click to turn off. Okay, from off, if you press and hold, you will get to the eco mode. Okay, the lowest mode. Click again, will turn on. The eco mode and the turbo cannot be memorized. Okay, when it is on, press and hold to cycle through brightness mode. Low, medium, high, low, medium, high. Okay, if you want to enter the turbo, just double click here. Okay, from turbo, if you double click again, you will get strobe. Okay, in strobe mode, one click to go back to turbo, another click will go back to the last memorized mode. Okay, one click here, turn off. You can also access turbo from off. Okay, just double click here. Okay, and for the lockout function, from off, 3 clicks, 1 2 3 here. Now it is locked. Okay, but you can still use the flashlight by press and hold. It will access the lowest mode. Okay, here. To unlock, 3 clicks, 1 2 3. Okay, here. Very easy and simple to use. Okay, and it looks like the SC28. Okay, let me talk about the SC28 and SC29. They look really similar, maybe the same lens, but SC29 is more powerful. Okay, and the tint. Okay, the tint of SC29, I think it's better. My SC28, it's thin if compared to this one. I think it's a bit green. Okay, I think I like the tint of SC29 more. Okay, and I also make beam shot comparisons that you can see after this. Okay, I will show you beam shot comparison between these two flashlights, and then let's walk around in the forest and talk about this flashlight. Okay, let's see. Okay, here Sofirn SC29. This is the low mode. Okay, the low mode it's bright enough for walking around, but still not good. Okay, this is medium. Okay, medium is good. Okay, medium is bright. You can use medium for walking around the forest or even cycling in town. No problem. It's quite bright. Okay, I have tried medium in my house for about 5 minutes. Okay. Seems no step down. Okay, no heat problem. Okay, let's go to high. Okay, high here. Okay, high here is very bright. Okay, for the high mode, I have tried it in my house for about 3 minutes, and I can notice that it stepped down. As I said, it stepped down to the level that is still brighter than medium. Okay. This is high mode. Okay, you can use this mode for walking around the forest. It is very good beam. Okay, big hotspot. Okay, and you still have some spill. Okay, not wide spill. Okay, big hotspot in front of you. Okay, this is the high mode. Okay, and I will go to turbo. Double click. Here, okay, this is turbo. Okay, as I said, turbo lasts about 30 seconds, something like that. It may also depend on the temperature outside too. Okay. Okay, let's see when it stepped down. It stepped down to about medium, or from what I see, maybe lower than medium. Okay, maybe that's because of the heat. Now it's stepping down. Okay, it's stepping down. It's about it's about 30 seconds now. Okay, here it stepped down. I think here it stepped down. I think you see that it stepped down. I'm not sure, maybe about medium here. Okay, you see that? Okay, if I one click again, it will go back to the last memorized brightness, that is high. Okay, let's see here. Okay, it stepped down to lower than high, maybe about medium, something like that. Okay, after 30 seconds, something like that. Low, medium here. Okay, so the SC29, it stepped down from turbo, okay, to about medium. Okay, from what I see, and the turbo lasts about 30 seconds. Okay, but actually the high mode, I think the high mode is good. Okay, high mode is bright, and this is high mode. Okay, high mode is quite very bright. And for the heat, okay, it's not, it's just warm. Okay, it's just warm. Actually, low, medium. Actually, medium is enough. Okay, for using in the forest or walking around your house or in the park, something like that. Okay, no problem at all. Okay. But to be safe, I think high is better. Okay, high is very good here. Okay, very bright. Overall, I love this flashlight. I think it's good design. It has magnetic tail cap and very easy to use. The UI is fine. Okay, but just only one thing to mention. I think turbo step down to medium. I think that's too low. Maybe turbo should step down to about high, and turbo should last longer than 30 seconds, something like that. Okay, here this is high mode. Okay, I can still hold the head. Okay, no problem at all. Okay, here. Okay, This is SC29. Okay, and the tint. Okay, the tint is good. Okay, and it's brighter than SC28. The tint is also better. Okay, this is very good. Okay, overall I love it, and I think it's a good flashlight. Okay, not bad. Here, this is high mode. Okay, big hot spot and some spill. Very good. Okay, I hope you will enjoy my review. Thanks for watching.